Hello all, welcome back to the channel. My name is Leelamani. I am a ServiceNow Implementation Specialist working for Palni. I have several ServiceNow certifications and hands-on experience working with the real-time data integrations, transformations and automation within the platform. I am excited to kick off a new playlist completely focused on one of the most essential topics in the ServiceNow platform is data import. As part of this playlist, I will cover three practical use cases to help every developer understands its importance and needs to handle data import. Moving data from one ServiceNow instance to another, importing data from an Excel template into ServiceNow, integrating data from external applications or database into ServiceNow. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to make sure you are not missing any episode from this playlist. Let's simplify data import in ServiceNow together. Thank you for watching.